Dominique Brand kidnapped her and forced her to drive from Nichols all the way to Lake Waccamaw, North Carolina, and then back to Lakeview, South Carolina. And police say shortly after, he shot and killed her. Her body was found behind an abandoned grocery store in the Zion area of Mary Ann County. Now, Brand was arrested a few days later. He's charged with murder and kidnapping. Now, a hearing took place today to talk about Brand's case before it all heads to trial. And ABC 15's Tanya Brown is live outside the Florence Federal Building where the hearing took place. So, Tanya, no major decisions reached today, but you did get some new details. Tell us those.
That's right, Andrew. That hearing didn't provide much information at all, but federal documents filed last week in this case show how it could be prosecuted. Newly filed federal documents in the case of Dominique Brand say the case is death penalty eligible, meaning it's being considered for capital prosecution. Brand is charged in the murder and kidnapping of 80-year-old Mary Ann Elvington of Horry County. Her body was found last March behind an abandoned store in Marion County. Brand's lawyers are asking that the death penalty not be sought against their client. They'll present their case next month to what's called a capital case section of the U.S. Department of Justice. That group works to make sure there's fairness and consistency in the case. His lawyers say they can't effectively advise Brand until the court decides if they'll seek the death penalty against him. During today's federal hearing, a judge granted requests for continuances in the case for all sides until the May term of court. A decision could be made by that time if Brand will face the death penalty for Elvington's death.
Damian Fowler died February 5th after being hit by a car while riding his bike in the Loris area. Now, the family and their legal counsel, they met with solicitor Jimmy Richardson today. Richardson told them he can't do much because the information he has about the case is limited. And the driver of the vehicle has not been criminally charged with anything related to Fowler's death. Fowler's loved ones are describing him as a humble voice who advocated for those that didn't have one.
I don't think that there's any accurate depiction of the life that Damian Fowler lived than to say that he demanded justice.
The family says they're now pursuing a conversation with State Highway Patrol about conducting a deeper investigation.
A crisis in the classroom as Marlboro County High School students walked out of school today. And what you just heard were only some of the voices of students protesting against changes that the district is making to the school's administration team. Now, this Facebook Live that you see right here behind me on our Facebook page right now has been viewed nearly 40,000 times. ABC 15's Carlos Flores was there when this protest happened, and he spoke with parents and students about what they're asking for district leaders.
Today was not about being disruptive, but rather sending a message to Marlboro County district leaders they are making a huge mistake. At around 2:20 this afternoon, students at Marlboro County High School flooded the front lawn after hearing rumors that some principals haven't been asked to return to school next semester.
It shows to me that not only is it affecting me, but it's representing from our freshmen to our seniors, so it represents everybody.
The Marlboro County School Board Chairman Jackie Branch released a statement today supporting students using their First Amendment rights and says they have not voted on any administrative terminations at this time. Marlboro County High School Principal Dr. Jermaine Watson told ABC 15 this contradicts what district leaders told him last Friday, saying they're deciding to go in a different direction. Before asking them to go back to class, Principal Watson shared a few words with the students.
And me and my admin, we greatly appreciate all the love and support that you have shown us throughout the school year, not only through social media last night or today, but throughout the school year. We do feel it.
Sadaya Miller, the school senior class president, tells me students feel blindsided and want to do all they can to show their support to an administration she says has helped them so much.
The administration team, they have done so much for us. They go out their way for us. They talk to us. They ask us questions. We walking down the hallway, we look sad. They have our backs. And today, we wanted to just simply show them that we have their backs as well.
And Sadaya is not alone.
This is our county. These are our children. And we have to lead by example. And sometimes it's not popular, but we have to stand for what is right.
Parents and community members are encouraged to make their voices heard as well at the next Marlboro County School Board meeting on March 7th.